Hi, here are the procedures to charge two 6-volt batteries with an automatic 12-volt battery charger. The automatic 12-volt charger comes with a ordinary standard 120-volt cable and two cables to connect to the batteries, the red positive and the black negative. Make sure the charger has been put at the 10A position for 10 amps per hour and that it has been put at the automatic charge position. To charge the 6-volt batteries, you must use a jumper cable to connect the 6-volt batteries in serial mode. First thing, you connect the jumper cable to the positive terminal of the first 6-volt battery. And the other end of the same jumper cable to the negative of the second battery. Then take the connectors of the automatic charger, connect the positive to the positive terminal of the second battery and the negative connector to the negative of the first battery. Then connect the automatic charger to any ordinary AC 120-volt wall outlet, and the charging procedure has started. The automatic charger will indicate a charge with the amp meter. After approximately 8 to 10 hours, the needle on the amp meter will indicate the 0, which means that both 6-volt batteries have been charged completely. Once this is done, remove the cable from the wall outlet. Then remove the charger connectors from the batteries, and finally remove the jumper cable from the batteries. If you do not have a jumper cable, it is possible to make a cable yourself using a 14 gauge or larger cable. You skin the cable and put in two connectors with an opening of 5/16 of an inch. You connect this self-made jumper connector the same way you did with the ones with the grips, meaning you put one end of the jumper cable on the positive of the first battery. Make sure the cable is well fastened, and the other end of the jumper cable to the positive of the second battery. The connectors on the jumper cable must be tightly connected. And once done, the procedure is the same. You take the connectors from the charger, the automatic charger, the positive red connector on the positive terminal of the second battery, and the negative connector on the negative terminal of the first battery. Connect the automatic charger to an AC wall outlet, and the automatic charger will start to charge automatically and stop charging once the charging is done. Repeat this operation every time you charge the batteries. You can mix the two types of 6-volt batteries that you have. So you can charge two 6-volt batteries at the same time, or two standard 6-volt batteries at the same time, or charge a thermo with a standard 6-volt battery, as long as both have 6 volts. To disconnect the cables, disconnect the charger connectors from the charger, from the battery terminals. Then unscrew the cap of the batteries to remove the jumper cable. Repeat the same procedure all over again for two other 6-volt batteries. On the side of the battery, there is a diagram that shows you how to connect the batteries, and you can use this for further reference. Thank you.